into and here to drive any stubble. So Professor Peter, would you like to comment on this abstract first?
Okay. First of all, the English per se, or the English sentences were quite easy to understand. And I think most of the information about the research is in the paper. What I have some difficulties with was the organization. So, for instance, the introduction immediately starts with direct seeding into 1 flooded paddy fields, tilled dry paddy fields, and 3 untilled dry paddy fields, without first of all explaining what the context is and what are some of the problems. So my comments would be that it's not the English that could be improved, it's more the organization of the ideas or thinking to help the reader understand the details of the research.
Okay, all right, thank you. How about Mr. Peter?
Okay. Well, I agree with Professor Peter's opinion to this paper. When I look at the abstract, I am not really understand the problem for this paper is going to focus on. So I suggest that you can probably define the problem more clearly, so that you know what kind of problem are you going to deal with in this paper.
All right, and here is my comments for this article was abstract. I think more text in readouts is expected. You need to write more, a little bit more in the section of the results. Also, the keywords are needed. Otherwise, is the extended abstract still needs some keywords. Okay. All right.